All right, folks, I'm going to bring you along real quick. This is a newer Honda HRV. It's got 32,000 miles on it, and I'm going to show you how to reset the maintenance light. So what you're going to do over here is you're going to hit the home button, and then that's going to bring you up on that screen where you can scroll. You're going to use this thumb wheel right here. You're going to go over to, you keep scrolling, go over to maintenance, and you're going to click this button in. Okay, it'll display the oil life. Now what you're going to do, I have the engine running, but I'm assuming the key can be off at the same time. You're going to hold this down. You're just going to keep pressing. You're going to keep pressing for a few seconds. It's probably going to be maybe 10 seconds. Then this will go to maintenance reset. You're going to let go of the button. You're going to scroll up. You're not going to want to cancel because then you'll have to do it all over again. You'll scroll all the way up. I generally do all due items. I'm going to be doing a full service, a transmission service, some maintenance items on this one. So I'm going to click in all due items. And it says reset completed, and it's 100%. So I hope this helps. Like and subscribe. Thanks.